Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement and very, very nice movement, certainly some updates here need to be done. First update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, this 275 mark, I'm going to call it not necessarily a must-hold do-or-die level, but definitely very, very important. Why is that level so important? Well, and I'm not saying this will occur, but just for explanation's sake, let's say that the price comes down to 275 and then breaks down below it. At that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would have the price quite literally right back inside of that sideways channel that the price just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly the sign of true strength or true power. Whereas on the flip side, because nothing can go straight up, so maybe the price comes down here, but in this situation behaves like that before starting to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now all of a sudden you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as that 275 mark. So like I said, not going to go ahead and call it a do or die level, but for those reasons, 275, certainly a very preferable level that you would want to see hold strong going forward. Now, what about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at now going forward, key level to watch, which is definitely within striking distance, right up there at that round number of $3, which was that previous area of support. And now with it being broken, that just circles back to a foundational rule. When levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance. So $3 key level going into Tuesday. Good news is it'll only be Tuesday. Still 4 days left of trading this week. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.